Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check battery level for your headphones SOUNDPEATS RunFree Lite 2 on your iPhone. And basically we have two options how to check it on the iPhone. The first one, we can create a widget. And to add the widget, you need to press and hold at empty space, then click Editor Plus at the left top, and Add Widget. Right here you have two options. You can or scroll down and you need to find batteries, click at the batteries line, or you can use a search and you can write batteries right here and tap right here at the batteries line. Here is 3 presets. Select the best one for you and then click Add Widget. And right here you can check the battery level anytime, but make sure that your headphones turn on and connected to your phone. The second option is to use an application to check the battery level. And you need to open PIDS audio app. Then you need to add your headphones to the application, and if your headphones connected, it will open for you the headphones menu. But if you are in the main menu, just tap at your headphones at the device list, and right here we also have the battery icon. There's no battery percentages, but that's all what we have in the application. So this one is your second option, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!